Hello and welcome everyone to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can solve this issue where the Salesforce Lightning logger call button is missing. So we will start off this video tutorial by first discussing this issue related to this logger call button missing, which generally occurs in the activity tab of the Salesforce Lightning. Then we will discuss the solution, how we can solve this issue and how we can add a logger call button in the activity tab of the Salesforce Lightning. Now before we start off with this topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel for specifically Salesforce tutorials where we will cover different topics related to Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get regular updates from this. Now let's jump to the very first topic. And let's understand this Salesforce Lightning logger call button missing issue. Now recently when I was working on Salesforce, so let me first open the setup. So I was using the Salesforce Lightning Experience, and under this I was assessing the records from the accounts object. So let me show you. So I click on this app launcher, and from this I click on view all, and from this I was using this accounts object. Now under the accounts object, whenever I was trying to view the record, under the activity tab I was unable to use this logger call tab, or we can say logger call button. So here in this case you can see the logger call button is missing. There is new task button, there is new event button, there is email button, but logger call button is missing from this. Now how we can add this logger call button in this activity tab, or we can say this activity timeline in Salesforce Lightning? For this, first we need to move to our setup. So I will click on setup. From this home setup I will move to the object manager. Now under the list of object managers I will open the object manager for account, and now here you can see from the left menu bar we have to move to this page layout. Now come to this page layout option, and from the list of things we need to select the layout for accounts. Now here you can see we got 4 records. So first one is for the marketing application, second one is for the sales application, third one is for the support application, but I want to assess the page layout for only the accounts object, so that's why I will click on this account layout. Now from here you can see this is the list of things that we have: Salesforce Mobile Lightning Experience Actions, or you can simply click on this as well, Mobile and Lightning Actions. So these are the list of actions that we can have in our activity timeline, or we can say the activity tab. And what I need to do, I need to drag and drop this logger call button from this option under this Salesforce Mobile Lightning Experience Action. So I will drag and drop it here. So now you can see logger call is appearing in the starting of this option. After this, simply click on save. Once this process is completed, move back to the record and refresh the page, and now here you can see we got this option of logger call, and in this way we can also add any other button under the activity tab or timeline. Now I hope you understand how we can solve this issue and how we can add the logger call button under the activity tab in Salesforce Lightning. And with this we have come to the end of this tutorial session, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. We will bring tutorials related to Salesforce Classic, Lightning, and we will try to provide solutions related to various errors in Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.